Which among the following plants do show the tricarpellary syncarpus gynoecium? Tricarpellary syncarpus gynoecium refers to a gynoecium with three carpels, that is tricarpellary, that are fused together, that is syncarpus. So here from the options we know that option A, Liliaceae, the family, here the flowers typically have tricarpellary syncarpus gynoecium. That means three carpels are fused to form a single structure. Coming to option B, Solanaceae, this family also has syncarpus gynoecium, but it has two carpels fused together, not three. So option B is incorrect. Option C, Fabaceae, this family usually has monocarpellary gynoecium. So that means they have only one carpel. Now coming to option D, that is Poaceae, this gynoecium in this family is bicarpellary, that means two carpels, and they are syncarpus. So that means option C and D are incorrect. The correct answer is option A.